Hello everyone. Today is 9th November, death anniversary of a great person, renowned person, Maharishi Dhondo Keshav Karve. We called him Anna. I would like to speak about his vision that he left behind for all of us. Please listen to me. Heights the great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Nearly 125 years ago, when girls were denied education and the rights of taking education were oppressed by the society, Maharishi Dhondo Keshav Karve established the Hingne Sri Shikshan Sanstha on 14th June 1896 to give education to the girls from the weaker section. He started his sanstha, now well known as Maharishi Karve Sri Shikshan Sanstha, for making the girls self-reliant and well-educated. The empowerment of the girls was the dream of Maharishi Anna Karve. He sowed the seed of girls' education with great devotion, nurtured it with dedication, and now this small plant has gradually turned into a big, strong tree with the roots spread deeply in the society, and it is standing firmly, having many branches, bearing sweet fruit. For the great noble work, financial support was needed. Maharishi Anna Karve went door to door asking for financial, monetary help from the donors. He walked all the way from Sadashivpet to Hingne, that is Karvenagar. He never took any salary or honorarium of his work, but used the amount collected for the welfare of the girls and the widows. People from all over the country were so much impressed and convinced by his selfless service that they started visiting the Sanstha and giving donation for his great work. One day, a retired person from Pune, Sri Damodar Pant Pathak, decided to do social work. His son, who was a doctor by profession, died of plague. Damodar Panta was in deep grief. In his miserable condition, he came to visit Sanstha. He was impressed and convinced by the great work of Anna that he decided to give donation to Sanstha. He gave rupees 500, a large amount at that time, to Anna and told him that money was collected by him to go to Rameshwar, a religious place. But then, instead of going to Rameshwar, he was giving that amount to Sanstha. He said that his purpose to visit Kashi and Rameshwar was solved by visiting Sanstha. Anna Karve was honored with Bharat Ratna in the year 1958 when Anna completed his 100 years of age. A postage stamp was issued by Government of India in his honor. On 9th November 1962, this great soul departed from this world. I bow my head 1,000 times to Anna and his great work. I would like to tell something about Bhaubis Nidhi Sankalan. Anna Karve had set an example in front of the society with his selfless hard work for the society. Taking an inspiration from his great work, thousands of hands are still coming forward to work for the noble cause. The Sanstha never felt scarcity of volunteers who are working for Bhaubis Nidhi collection. Even now, many girls from the weaker section are taking education in this Sanstha. They need helping hands to strengthen their wings to soar high in the sky. They are waiting for your generous Bhaubis. It is a sincere appeal to donors like you. Kindly contribute to Bhaubis Nidhi. Thank you very much.